Hi, James Matthews Paul here at the end of Screenmedia Expo 2011 Day 1, and I just wanted to give you a little post-show report for Output magazine. It's been a bit more of a condensed show than last year. Last year I felt that there were lots of different providers providing different types of technology, different screens, media players, software types, and it felt kind of a little bit fragmented, even though there was a reasonable amount of footfall. This year, I think that everyone's focused much better on applications and how these technologies, when put together, can actually deliver a really interesting campaign. So it's been more compact, but it's given a more holistic view of the market. And I think that making it more about solutions and about how a campaign is delivered means that it's kind of attracting more people like brand managers, agencies, and that means quality leads for the exhibitors that are here. And also more interest for the people that are actually on the ground, that are coming around to look at things so they can see how the technologies would be applied in situ. And I think that that's really important, a great development by the show organisers to make sure that it's delivering better value this year. Now, that's been reflected in the types of exhibitor. So we've had a great time here by producing video content on systems like Christie Micro Tiles, which is in the front entrance with a really big sports signage project that they undertook. Multi-Touch, a Finnish company, with their Multi-Touch table system, which has a very broad variety of applications. And then IT's Media, for example, who have their Taxi Top product, and that was also mentioned in one of our vehicle features by Camilla Core recently. And so those three people in particular are showing how applications are really important and how they've also been brought to the show floor. That's also been reflected in the seminars, though, how we're using this technology to communicate with people, and it's that communication that's been really important. So this morning we had Carolyn Nugent from Kinetic and Chris Hall from JC Deco on the first trail here. And they both highlighted how digital signage poster sites, when they're using animation, they can actually increase visitor attention by 28% in some cases. And that's really something for people in the printing industry to take heed of, because it means that static poster sites are not working as effectively anymore when compared with other technologies that are on the market. And that's really important to consider. It's also taking into account how consumers are using their mobile technology on the move. So they're using social media, they're expecting a certain level of interactivity from their content, and something that treats them with respect and with intelligence, catches their eye, provides them with trivia or interesting information about the project, as well as just advertising. So it's about live, time-based content and the effectiveness of content, and that's really important. In other news, HP talked to us about how their partnership with Scala is also developing things in the retail signage world. So store owners can use digital signage in retail situations to adapt to the types of user that are to the types of visitor that are in the store at any given time. And they can link that up with their stocking and their logistics systems to make sure that they're making the most effective sales and making very important business decisions really well. That's just an overview of what's been going on here today. It's obviously a very densely packed show with lots of different types of exhibitor. I do encourage you to come down and have a look if you get the chance. The conclusions that I've drawn from today, first of all, that the digital signage world has started to consolidate. The different types of technology are now being pulled together to bring the focus onto applications and how we deliver messages to people that are interested in receiving them, and how we engage consumers. I think that's really important. There's another element to this, of course, which is the analysis and the measurement that goes behind these technologies. Everybody wants, in their marketing department, to be able to quantify how they're spending their money, and digital signage is rapidly proving that it's the most effective medium in order to be able to do that. Obviously, there are ethical data privacy conversations to be had, and laws to be respected that need to be considered, as we've discussed with HP in a video that's going to be coming onto this stream soon. And I think that the printed world needs to take away from this that that measurability really needs to be considered when delivering campaigns. This has been Output at Screenmedia Expo on day 1. In the background you can hear the Love Content Awards, so make sure you check those out as well, and thanks for watching Output.